Iran has tested a variety of air defense systems, missiles, drones, warplanes, tanks, and warships over several months. Iran's Army and Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) have been showcasing and testing new defensive and offensive weapons in large-scale military exercises for the past 3 months. The country is preparing for another tumultuous year amid threats by the United States and Israel to bomb Iranian nuclear facilities, critical energy infrastructure, and military sites. Iran is also promising a third iteration of its major military strikes on Israel in retaliation for Israeli attacks amid the devastating war on Gaza. The exercises, Iqtidar, Zulfikar, and Great Prophet, have been held across Iran, the Sea of Oman, and the northern Indian Ocean. The weapons tested show Iran intends to maintain its defiance of Israel and the West, refusing to negotiate with U.S. President Donald Trump under his maximum pressure policy and continuing to advance its nuclear program. The IRGC unveiled 3 major underground military bases, with commanders saying they are prepared for a prolonged war. Inside what state television called a missile megacity, dozens of ballistic projectiles could be seen, some on mobile launchers for quick deployment. Khorramshahr 4, a liquid fuel rocket with a range of 2,000 kilometers, 1,242 miles, and an upgraded warhead, reportedly weighing up to 2 tons, 4,400 pounds. Jihad, a liquid fuel rocket that can go up to 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, with a 650 kilograms, 1,400 pound warhead. L-360, a solid fuel rocket that can go 180 kilometers, 111 miles, while carrying 150 kilograms, 330 pounds of explosives. Qadr, a 2-stage rocket that can travel up to 2,000 kilometers and carry a warhead weighing up to 750 kilograms, 1,650 pounds. Emad, a liquid fuel missile with a range of about 1,800 kilometers, 1,118 miles, and warheads up to 750 kilograms. The IRGC Navy also showed some of a secret underground naval base along Iran's southern coast. Inside it, hundreds of missile-carrying speedboats and anti-ship mines were shown, as well as a new cruise missile, an anti-ship projectile called the Qadr 380. The Qadr 380 can travel more than 1,000 kilometers, meaning Iran would be able to attack ships from deep inside its territory. The IRGC also says it has a new anti-ship supersonic cruise missile with a range of 2,000 kilometers that it will unveil soon. Iran used its fighter jets as well, some domestic models such as the Sake and Azarakh, as well as many older US and Russian models dating back to before Iran's 1979 revolution. It also used the newer Russian-made Yak-130 alongside MiG-29 fighter jets to intercept an enemy drone as part of an exercise. The subsonic 2-seat jet Yak-130 was delivered by Moscow in September 2023 to train pilots for the advanced Su-35 fighter jets that Iran has long ordered but not received. Defending critical infrastructure is a priority for Iranian authorities,